What's Wrong magazines. Ask questions. Broaden your awareness as far as you can. The world is a wide and wondrous place, and you won't be able to change much if you don't understand what's going on out there. Don't just read your local news, read news from other cities, other states, other countries. Read opinions and accounts from people who live across the world. Watch documentaries and TED Talks. 1. Listen to lectures. Focus on specific subject. Try to learn as much as you can. Learn as much as you can. Learn as much as you can. It is one thing to say that you sense an imbalance. It is another to say, there is war in Palestine, there is a drought in California, there are people dying in refugee camps in Central Africa, there are rainforests being burned in Brazil, there are entire island nations in the Indian Ocean that are being evacuated due to rising sea levels. There is a lot to change. There is a lot to change. Travel to foreign lands. Speak to locals about the way that they live. Visit people in your community who live differently than you, people who make more or less money, who are younger or older, who come from a different ethnic or religious background. Use the internet to supplement and share your explorations. Try to drink in as much of this planet as you can. Learn to love it. You don't need to have a lot of money to see the world. Think about how much you can experience just by walking down the block, or visiting a neighboring city. If you truly want to travel, you can find a way. Try to learn from every experience. When you visit a foreign country, don't cut yourself off from the culture. Immerse yourself. If the thought of travel for travel's sake seems too hedonistic, think about taking some sort of service trip. Volunteer to build houses or protect an ecosystem. Join the Peace Corps, Doctors Without Borders, or another international aid organization, WWOOF, and help out local farmers in a work, trade situation. Find a way to give back, right? To pick out the issues ask yourself what feels important. Perhaps you want to spend your life battling climate change, or purging slavery from the world, or saving a species from the brink of extinction. You might change the world in one big way, and you might change it in many small ways. There are many ways to change the world. You can change a rough stone to precious diamond. Just you have to find the way. You have to find the way.